you all know Lego, yeah?
Yeah,
Lego.
Lego.
Okay, this is a little bit different than Lego. It's like an architect Lego. You know what an architect is? Somebody who designs houses. Yeah. So this is an architectural building kit that allows you to build anything you want. So you can design. So these are like the floors, yeah, and like these are like the walls, yeah, and these are like the roof trusses and the roof panels that stick to you. Yeah? So you can start building anything you want. So you can build like a house or a little village, yeah, and allow you to think. So I'll just show you now. Watch this, and then you can play with this. I don't want to build it. I want you to build this, yeah. And don't go mad. Take your time and give everybody a go, yeah. Just easy. All right. So just show you. So, for example, watch this. So this is like your house, but the floor in your house, yeah? And now I want to design more floor, like this here, say for example. And now I want to maybe design like maybe a step like this here, yeah? So this is like the plan of your house, alright? The floor plan. The floor plan, yes, exactly. And then these are like your walls and windows and doors. And the way you build with Arckit, it's called Arckit, is like this here. You hold it down and you put the pegs, yeah, in the holes. You see? Like this here, look, like this here. Yeah? And then you start, and then look, then you start building on top like this here. You see? I probably need my glasses because I have very bad eyesight. You see? Like this. Look. So now you can think, I want to design anything. And so you can build like that. And then the roof trusses. Okay, I'll take this up. But essentially, just to show you, look, this is like a roof truss. See, like that. And then you start doing it at a certain point, and I'll help you because, say, for here and here, and then you put like here and here. You see? So you just start to build whatever you want. And if you want to build little houses, you can use just little ones like this here. You don't have to, this is a bit harder than Lego because it's a panel. It's not just a block on a block, yeah? But if you want to build your little house, you can just have little houses like this here. And build them real small. And this will be your wall, yeah? And so then you build look at these here. These are like little houses. So you can build like a little house. Like this, Ireland like this. And you're going to hold it like this here, and then you can put your block on top like that. Yeah? And sometimes you lift it up and you squeeze it a little, so it's nice. And then you can put different roofs on it, like this little roof there. Yeah? Or you can have a different type of roof. This one here, yeah? Or this one here, look, this is a nice one. Here. Yeah, and then you can start just building your own street, so everybody can build, and you can think about how you'd like your village to work.